everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out a bit today. We're going to be getting into my summer Beachly. Can't wait to dig into this. Beachly is a lifestyle subscription box. They have one for women, one for men, a beauty, and a home decor box, in case you didn't realize. This one is the women's box. It's valued at $250 for each box, and it comes seasonally. The cost is, let's see, $99 if you just pay per season. If you get it on an annual basis, then that would be $84 a box. You save about $15 a box plus shipping. All right, so you have a lot of customizations in there, and we're going to get into all of it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that like to hang out and help. Willie's helping by trying to open my box for me. We sure hope you stick around at long haul. Hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. All right. Let's see, but as I mentioned, they do have lots of customizations for you to make so you can get closer to the things that you like. You should do it, go in there and look at it like right away. Otherwise, some of the good ones might be gone, right? So this says, "Hello Sunshine. By ordering this box, you've helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees. We'll be using your donation to maintain the health of kelp forests in Southern California, watersheds in Maui, and more." I love that. I like a box with a purpose, right? All right, so right on top, after I removed that paper that was covering it, you get a little book here that gives you some information about some of the items in your box. It usually doesn't cover everything, but it'll cover several of them. And it says, "Summer by the sea, discover summer Beachly style. Summer is here, bring longer days, sun-warmed air, and an easy golden rhythm. It's a season for slowing down, soaking it all in, and savoring little moments that feel the most like you. Your summer Beachly box is created with that feeling in mind." And it goes on a bit. So let's do this. All right. First up, this is the Beach Cottage linen spray by Homesick, and it says that it's valued at $15. So this says, "Salty ocean air with hot sand underfoot. Afternoon tides leave driftwood, seaweed, and conch shell scattered along the shore." So the top notes for this are bergamot, sandalwood, and then there is mid notes are marine and plumeria and musk, and the base notes are sea base and tonka brew and amber. So this should smell really nice. I love a good linen spray. Room and linen spray. So you can spray your room. Oh, it smells like the beach. It smells really good. Let's keep going. Next up, so this one is the Gale Bashi Seaside Sarong Wrap. It's made from sustainable materials. They had some fun things in this. They had a dress, a maxi dress. I decided to pass on it, but they do get like a lot of different items for you to choose from. But I thought I would get more use out of something like this, so I grabbed it. This is really cute. I like the green. The air is showing you how flowy it all is, including my hair. I like the little tassels here. So we'll I'll try that on for you and see how that works. But that's cute. Next up, we have a towel. This is called the Slow Tide Sunny Drift Weave Turkish Towel. And this is 38 by 73, so it's going to be pretty big. Lightweight, it says double-sided, dry loop, ethically manufactured, it's eco cotton. I can always use towels this time of year, so I thought that would be a great option for me, and it matches my little sarong. All right, next up, we have top, I think this is. Yeah, this one is called the Reef, the Sun Lover Ringer Tee. And you can add items if you want. If you like more than one item, you can add it to your to your box. Oh, this is a nicely made material. Check that out. Has the little white colored trim. Says Sun Lover. That's me for sure. That's cute. Let's see if the... What are you doing, Dexy? Are you trying to help? Are you trying to help? Does it tell me about the tee? Yeah. It says that the Sun Lover Ringer tee values $34, and it says it's an easy, everyday, essential made from soft slub jersey with coastal ringer binding for a subtle retro look. A chain stitch Sun Lover embroidery adds handcrafted detail, while the relaxed fit keeps you comfortable for warm days and beach nights. That's cute. I like that. Okay. Then we have something practical. Standard procedure SPF 50 sunscreen. Got to have your sunscreen, right? This is an 8.5 full ounce, and it says that its value is $30. Meet Australia's favorite high-performing sunscreen with formulas perfected for over 40 years. The SPF 50 Plus is made for all skin types, all ages, and every kind of adventure, built to be your go-to everyday standard procedure. Australian's SPF 50 sunscreen for reliable protection, hydrating ingredients, and skin safe. No PABAs, parabens, oxybenzone, or octinoxates. Probably said that one wrong. All right, we got more. What is this? Small Hours. This is a set of 2 silicone food storage bags. I thought these were really interesting. Check this out. And they like seal up like a Ziploc. So these will be perfect for you to put things in and take them to the beach, and then they seal right up, and you get 2 sizes. Is that not fun? Be great for traveling as well. And those are by Small Hours. One is 13.5 ounces, and the other is 27 ounces. I think I will get a lot of use out of that. All right, and I have one last item. I thought this was so pretty. And this is a ceramic hibiscus bowl. So let's see what it looks like in person. And let's see what it says about it. The value of it is $45. And it says, the Island Bloom Hibiscus Ceramic Bowl by Beachly. Infuse your table with tropical charm. This artisan-crafted ceramic bowl features hibiscus blossoms that evokes island mornings and seaside gatherings. Ideal for breakfast, fruit, beachside snacks, or a decorative accent. Open it up upside down, of course. Oh, this is a nice size. Check that out. That's big and very pretty. I love the hibiscus. All right, and that's everything I picked from this box. What did you think, or at least from the summer collection? What did you think about this one? I think Beachly has some fun things, I really do. So I got the bowl, I got the towel, I got the shirt, I got the sarong, I got the silicone bags, and the linen and room spray. So I think the only thing left to do is to show you a little bit, show you that sarong. All right, so this sarong is like really long and a little bit more narrow, so I think it's going to be perfect for wearing around your waist over top of your bathing suit, for sure. Yeah, so you can just grab this, cover it right up. It'll be really cute as a little skirt. Excuse me, Dexy. Yeah, this is adorable. You could double tie it or just leave it alone. You could also try wearing it as a little dress. See if we can do that. So I think that works as well. You just have, it's just a little bit shorter, but over top of your bathing suit, this would be nice and easy to put inside your beach bag, right? And cover up your, use it as a bathing suit cover up. Little halter style. Yeah, I like this. This is cute. What do you guys think? And then for every day, you can wear it as a scarf, right? It's adorable. And that's all my pieces. That's everything in my box. What did you guys think? I thought this was an adorable collection. I can't wait to hear, though, your comments, so please do comment down below. I will put all the information for Beachly in the description box in case you'd like to give this service a try. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, swipe to hype. I'll catch you next time.